I'm in the car and it's raining outside and I feel really upset. I can't help but hate myself and how I can't control what I do sometimes and what I say and how I act or how I seem to feel about things. I think I'm trying to get myself prepared for something that's gonna happen soon. And I think I'm getting ready because I'm not caring as much as I did before. And the divorce and the separation is going to be the only solution to this problem. Because when somebody doesn't understand where you're coming from and can't relate to you, there's no reason to prolong the suffering in the relationship. It's just, there's bigger and better things out there. And it doesn't mean you have to be in a relationship to be happy. And I need help, and I'm not getting my help, so nothing's gonna change. But the only thing I know is I gotta stop blaming myself for how things turn out. Because it's not what I wanted, but life isn't always what you want it to be. And I have to learn from this and move on. And if I don't move on, I'm not going to learn anything, and I'm going to be trapped in the same situation and be hurt and suffer, and I just want it to stop already. And I think I'm getting ready to move on. I just don't know what I'm going to do about money. I don't have a degree, I don't have a certificate, I don't have much going for me. I needed that education, I needed that time in college and a course or something. I needed that to find some kind of financial independence so I don't have to depend on anybody and be able to live and not be in the streets. But I didn't get that. And I'm not gonna blame anybody. But I know what the circumstances are that made it hard for me to get those things. But I gotta forgive myself and move on and try to get what I need to get done in order to be happy. And it's all on me. Because it's up to me to make my life the way I want it to be. It'll be fine. Somehow I'll be fine. And I have to lose some things, but I'll win some things. If I let some things go, I might get some new things coming into my life that's better and worth the suffering. If not, then I won't know until I go and head on that road, which I'm doing. And I'm getting ready for it. Mentally at least. I'm trying to get myself set on it. Because I know it's gonna happen. I gotta be strong enough to pull through. And I will. I will. Because I'm determined to not let life and my situations destroy me and my mental health destroy me. So that's it for now. And talk to you guys later. Bye.